Folks, we're here in Nucla, Colorado, and we've got this mobile office right here. This came from the Telluride Regional Airport. They had set it up out there on the airport and used it as a mobile office. And so the gentleman that got it from them has used it for a little bit, but he no longer needs it, so we're going to go ahead and put it up on auction time. This office is fully insulated. It does have an air conditioning unit on the side of it. You can see it's on a good four-wheel running gear right here, and we are going to include the running gear with it. And it's just an all-around nice little setup. So we're going to get the key here in just a second and we're going to open it up, but I wanted to kind of just walk around and show you guys. I'll show you, and I've got a picture of this, but that's what the plug looks like right there. And you can see you've got a pintle hitch that just drops down. I measured this. It's about 6 feet wide and about 10 feet long and about 10 feet tall with the being mounted running gear. And like I said, we can get it, if the buyer doesn't want the running gear, 4 bolts will pull it off there, and we can sure enough separate that running gear off for you. But it's kind of a nice setup out right here, and you can see this is the AC unit here on the outside, and I'll step inside. I believe it's got an aluminum diamond plate floor on the inside, and like I said, it is all insulated. I believe it's aluminum siding on the outside of this, guys, that they painted that industrial yellow. So again, I'll step inside and you guys can take a look at it inside. You can see you've got some an antenna mounted right there, so I'm assuming there's a radio inside of it. And then this is kind of what the outside looks like. And I'll get the measurements. I took the measurements and got pictures of it, guys, so I'll sure enough post those measurements to the listing. But here you can see you step up in there, and it is, first it's a sliding door here on the side. And it slides real easy because the gravity's just making it close right there. So, but you can see when you step inside, you've got your power box right here, your fuse panel, and then you've got your AC unit there, a diamond plate, aluminum diamond plate floor, and they've got it set up with one chair and then a little desk right here. And so, again, this came out of the Telluride Regional Airport. You can see I've got a little book there that has aircraft codes in it, but glass all the way around for us, and lighting in the top. It is keyed. We do have the key for the lock, so you can lock it up. And just a nice little mobile office if you guys have a use for it, a gravel pit or a construction site or something like that. This would sure make you a nice little office. So we'll go ahead and put it up on auction time for you. If you guys have any questions, I'll list the owner's number in the listing. You can give either one of us a call, but a nice mobile office if you guys are needing one.